Hi, in front of me is ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, you need to access device settings. Now scroll down, choose security over here and tap on screen lock. Pick one of the login methods, pattern, PIN or complex password, and click at the chosen one. Then choose one of those options, I will go with no thanks, and enter your login method. Choose continue at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap confirm. Now when I go back, turn off my screen and then turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!